I hope you are doing it. Please keep doing it. Okay, 3 more minutes. Sister Afra is asking how many minutes. Okay, you can do it 1 more minute. Just for now. Okay, I'll just give you 1 more minute, and then let me ask you how you felt. Okay. Okay, people, please come back. And now just put in the chat box. What are the things which you observe? Okay. How many of you felt pulsation? How many of you felt gastric movements? When you kept your hand, how many of you felt the gastric movements inside your stomach, your tummy? Let me know, please. Just put it in the chat box, please. And some of you have already you have attended this kind of class before, and I have also demonstrated this technique and other techniques. Okay, and let me know how effective it is and how many times you did and how what are the results you got. Please let me know. I'm just waiting here. Okay, Sister Aisha is typing. I have corn disease. I have an okay. Uh, yeah, don't worry, sister. I'll be giving you a remedy now. Okay, for this issue, I'll be giving you a remedy. Okay, people, how did you feel after doing this therapy? How did you feel now? Can you please type here? Okay, Sister Fatima Sultan is typing. Could feel the pulsation. Alhamdulillah. Then for Aisha sister, I have a remedy. Please note down, sister. One of the best remedy. Easy. Yeah. See, this is pomegranate rind powder tea. Okay. You know what is pomegranate rind powder? Yeah, that is the rind. Okay. The outer, covering of pomegranate. Okay. You have to peel the pomegranate. Okay. Then you have to make the powder of this peel. Just put it under the sun for, you know, 2 days. It will become dry, hard. Just put it in the mixie, grind it well, make it powder. Okay, and make a tea out of it every day. Okay, just consume this tea. Okay, just put 1 teaspoon, 5 grams of pomegranate peel powder in 1 cup of water, boil it, stain it, and consume this. Also add, 1 teaspoon of honey. You can also add a little bit of lemon. Okay, then consume it every morning and evening. Okay, this is really, really good for your issue. Okay, so what does this do is pomegranate tea. Okay, it goes and strengthens your spleen. Okay, and it stops all the diarrhea. Okay, when your spleen is not, you know, normal, when your spleen is not functioning, it doesn't have the enough strength. Okay, you will get this problem, diarrhea. Okay, very watery stool. Okay, so you can go ahead and take this remedy. Okay, it is 100% safe and it's a Thibb remedy. Don't worry, you can do it. Clear? Right. Now, I'll give you another remedy for those who have frequent constipation and also gas. Okay, take down. Okay, so those who have flatulence, bloated stomach, burps, absence of hunger, constipation, all these things. Okay, for them, this is a very perfect nuskha, very perfect formula. Take 25 grams of sana makki. Sana makki is a Thibb food, Thibb remedy. Okay, Thibb remedy, sana makki, senna. Okay, it is easily available in every Indian drugstore. Okay, natural drugstore, country drug medicine. 25 grams. Then soft, your fennel, 50 grams. Zira safed, white zira, it's available. Okay, 50 grams. Ajwain. Okay, ajwain seeds are otherwise called as carom seeds. 50 grams. Pudina, 50 grams. 50. Black salt, 50 grams. Ground them all, make a powder, mix them all, then take this every morning and evening. Okay, those who have constipation, gas, right? This is a very, very good nuskha. Okay, make a warm tea out of it. Okay, just drink it plain. Don't add any other thing like honey or whatever it is. Okay, so this is a very good nuskha for constipation and gas. Yes, sister, this is a very good nuskha for piles too. Okay, if anyone has piles, then they have to use this pomegranate peel powder. Plus, they have to add a little bit jaggery into it. Okay, you have to mix a little bit of jaggery and you have to consume. That is for your piles issue. Okay, right. See, regarding your, you know, your pomegranate tea, you can do it, one course. One course is from 12 to 14 days. Okay. Inshallah, you will take this. Inshallah, you will see best results within 7 days. Okay. You can take 3 to 4 courses. Okay. When you do one course, that is, you take this nuskha for 12 to 14 days or at least 12 days. After 12 days, give a gap of 1 week. Then again, you can start the next course. Clear? Right? You can leave a gap. No problem. Okay. Right. And pomegranate peel powder is also very good for heart issues. It is going to lower down the blood pressure. It is going to protect the heart. Okay. So you get lot more, benefits other than relieving your diarrhea problem. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, you can give it for your husband, not a problem. Okay, Sana Makki course. Okay, you have to take this as a course as well. Okay, you have to stop after 12 days for a while, then you can start it again, not a problem. Okay, and also do this Jinshin, you know, position. You can do this position thrice or four times a day, not a problem. Okay, right. I'll give you another nuskha for another very basic nuskha for gastric trouble, burps, abscess of hunger, right? This formula is also very effective. Okay, this can be given to kids, children. Okay, note down the formula is you have to take coriander seeds 250 grams, cumin seeds 125 grams, methi, fenugreek 125 grams. Grind them all, make a powder, mix every ingredient, and they then take 5 grams every morning and evening before breakfast or before your dinner. Okay, right. Prophetic medicine for reducing weight and obesity that we will discuss in our next class. Today we are discussing only about gastric and indigestion, right? Okay. And for constipation, another very good remedy is what? Taking figs, teen. Okay, you have what you have to do is you have to soak 5 figs in water, not five or three to five figs in water overnight. Let it sit the whole night. Then next morning you just put it in a mixie, grind it well. Okay, then you have to gulp it down in the early morning on empty stomach. Okay, so you can continue this course again for a whole week, and you will see best results, inshallah. Okay, so fig is very good for constipation. Okay, see, basically, people they get gastric issues mostly because of constipation, because when the food stays inside the intestine, it ferments and it creates gas. Okay, so a person feels bloated and gets burps very often. Okay, so that is the root cause. Please note down. Okay, and basically, those people who have chronic constipation, or very often they get constipation, when they get up in the morning, they will have a bitter taste in the mouth. So when you get up in the morning and you feel bitterness inside your mouth, then that is an indication that you have what? Constipation. Okay, make it note down. Okay, make it clear. Okay, right. Now gastric issues can also occur due to what? Overthinking and anxiety, and also because of depression. Okay, so for that I'll give you another Jinshin Jutsu position. Ready? Okay, a very good position. I'll do it. I do it almost every day. Okay, because this is good for anxiety, depression. It is also good for concentration. You can teach this to your kids when they are studying. Okay, this is good for headache. Okay, very good for headache. I'll tell you. Okay, those who are doing acupuncture, you can stop using what? Your needles. You just have to do this and you'll see best results, inshallah. Okay. And now just look at me. Take your right hand, put it on your forehead. Okay. Left hand, the back of your neck. Okay. This is the position. Okay. Now please do it for 3 minutes now. And please come back and let me know the results, please. Okay. Okay, brothers, sisters, please come back and let me know what are the things you felt. What did you feel when you kept your hands on the forehead and at the back of your neck? What are the things you felt? Did you feel the pulsation? Did you feel something, moving on your forehead? Did you feel relaxed? Or did you feel sleepy? Yes, Sister Dania, how did you feel? Will you explain? Let me unmute yourself. Yeah, sister.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Yes. Yeah. There was a pulsation and some throbbing around the neck area and somewhere on the head also, like a
Okay.
feel of traction kind of pull.
Yeah, yeah. So you did you feel relaxed?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good, Alhamdulillah. Right. Okay, Sister Mehboob Jani, can you shall I unmute you? Can you just explain? I think you're doing almost like from many days. Just hold on a second. See, when you talk, it really gives confidence to even other people out there. Just hold on.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Yeah.
Yes, I felt some kind of pulsations,
Uh-huh.
and Alhamdulillah, it is relaxed, sir.
Okay, sister. Did you try the gastric one? How did it
Yes,
feel?
sir. Alhamdulillah, I have done it, sir. The
Uh-huh.
previous night, I was having some issue with the digestion.
Okay.
So for around 3 times within 1.5 hours, I have done the technique which you have shown on the what we say on the ribs region and on
Okay.
the right thigh region, inner thigh region, sir. I felt very relaxed.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, I was like I was getting relief from the issues, sir.
Alhamdulillah.
And I
Alhamdulillah.
suggested to my patients also, and she also gave me some positive results. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah, sister. So, what you can
Barakallah
do is,
feekum.
yeah, Jazakallah khair. See, brother and sister, what you can do is you can also suggest this to your patients, your clients. Okay. See, we have to bring our patients, that is our clients, to the natural therapies. Okay. We have to do as much as we can because, nowadays people are going on the wrong track, right? So it is our duty to bring them back. Okay. Once we know, we have to teach it to others as well. That is a human tendency, natural human tendency. Right, fine, Alhamdulillah. So most of you have felt relaxed. Okay. Rishada's sister, there are very limited books out there. There is a very limited literature out there. You can find few videos in YouTube. Okay. Recently, I met a person who knows this technique. He gave me certain tips. Okay. There is a book which is available and it's expensive. Okay. If you want, you can get that book. Okay. Uh, Maybe I'll try to get more information. I'll try to get all those pictures of all those points. Maybe in the future I'll give you, inshallah. Okay, I'll give you all of you. Okay, because I believe that strongly believe that everyone has to know this technique. Okay, so by our by default we are doing this every day. Okay, when we do it, with confidence, right, with the right intention and with a lot of focus, I hope we'll get more good best results, inshallah. Okay, right. So this technique you can use it for you know anxiety, overthinking, and insomnia. Okay, so most of the times, people they get gastric issues because they are not sleeping on time, because they are not having quality sleep, isn't it? So this is the best remedy for them, inshallah. Right. Okay. Okay, sister. Inshallah, we'll do for diabetes as well. I have a good nuskha for that also. But tell you one thing, regarding diabetes, right? So people are, it is difficult nowadays to bring out people from. insulin or and other, diabetic drugs. Why? Because their body have used to it for many years. Okay, it's difficult for such patients, but we can really educate the younger generation, and we can also help the diabetic patients who are just being diagnosed as diabetic patient. Okay, so 3 to 4 months, if they are on drugs, it is possible for us to bring them back on the right track. But prolong, use of drugs, maybe 5 years, 6 years, it's becoming very difficult. Okay, right. So this is the concept, because you have to always remember the Thibb concept. What is this concept? The stomach is the home for all illness. Abstinence is the best medicine, and give your body what you have made it accustomed to. Okay, so when a person get accustomed to some food, it is difficult for that person to get used to a different variety of food. This applies for medicine as well. Okay, this applies for any sort of drug. Okay, so it becomes very difficult for that person to switch back to the natural ways. Okay, and so unless and until, right, the person has is taking that medicine only for a few months. Okay, if she is taking for years, it becomes very difficult, right? So this concept you have to remember as a practitioner. Okay, as a acupuncturist, dietitian, whatever your designation is. Okay, right. Okay, so please keep this in mind. Right. So I think we are coming to the end of the session. Okay, so these are the few things which I wanted to give it to you today, inshallah. I hope that you are going to use this for yourself first. Okay, it is self-help. Okay, what is the uh, topic of our webinar is self-help. Okay, you have to first you have to self-help yourself. There is a question here. Sister Aisha is telling my husband and kids have odor even after brushing. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. See, when a person has this bad odor, bad or pungent smell coming from their mouth, it's because their stomach has excessive heat. Okay, so in that case, what do you need to do? You have to take more salad. Okay, so let them eat cucumber, your uh, onion, tomato salad. Okay, before the meal, after the meal. Okay, you know how Arabs eat? They first take the salad. Okay, then they take the non-veg. Then they take a little bit of rice. Then again they take salad. Okay, because the salad is the food which gives what? Gives uh cold, energy to the body, especially to the stomach first. Okay, so when we eat a lot of non-veg, or mostly the non-veg food, it is going to create heat, lots of heat inside the body, especially inside the stomach. So we have to include salad in our food so that we can avoid this heat issue inside the stomach. See, salad is very, very good to take. You can avoid problems like ulcer, gastric issues, and other things. Okay, even constipation. Okay, so I advise you to give salad, to take salad. It is going to really help you with regards to this issue, inshallah. Okay, see, nuskha you want, you are remedies. Yeah, there are a lot of remedies I can give you. One over here is your nabis. Okay, nabis is a very good nuskha. It really, you know, brings down the acidic level of the stomach. Also, it brings down the heat sensation, heat inside the stomach. Okay, what you need to do, you have to just boil little amount of water, 1 glass of water. Just add 2 teaspoons of golden raisins, the seed ones, not the seedless one, the seed ones. Okay, so let it sit overnight. Next morning, consume the water along with the raisins on empty stomach. Okay, you will see that you know you will really notice that the stomach heat is reducing, and that you will feel the mouth. Okay, the odor is going away, inshallah. Okay. IBS, you can take this nuskha for IBS. I think I gave this nuskha, isn't it, right? Yes. This nuskha is good for IBS as well. Okay. Sana Makki nuskha. Okay. Right. Please note down. Right. So that's it for today, brothers and sisters. Okay. Let me tell you that we also have a program of 25 days. Okay. We have an online course where you can learn many things. Okay. It's online. You can download the videos. You can download the notes. Okay. We have done many batches till today. Alhamdulillah. And they are practicing well. Okay. If you are a practitioner, if you're a dietitian or, acupuncturist, then this course is for you. Okay. Right. So you can send me a message if you want to join this course. Okay. Uh, it comes with an affordable fee, inshallah. Right. So this is a knowledge transfer course. Okay. And will give you only the course certificate, that is course completion certificate only. Right. So it is very, very important that we learn the Thibb herbs, right? So that we can use it in our daily life. We can use it in our practice. Okay. It will make healing very easy. Okay. And comfortable, inshallah. Okay. So Jazakallah for being here today. We'll meet up in the next session with a different topic. Okay. So I hope today's session was very beneficial, helpful. Okay. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.